Today, we're diving into the G28112EE2 DECT 6.0 Cordless phone, a dual handset wonder promising seamless communication in your home or office. Boasting a sleek silver design, this cordless system comes equipped with a digital answering machine, ready to handle up to 15 minutes of incoming messages. Using the DECT frequency band, it promises minimal interference for crystal clear calls. Setting up the G28112EE2 is straightforward. You'll find it supports up to 4 cordless handsets, ideal for larger spaces or multi-room setups. Powered by a corded electric source, it ensures reliable connectivity without the hassle of frequent battery changes. One standout feature is its single keypad dialer, simplifying the process of making calls or accessing voicemail. The handset dimensions are compact at 10.5 by 8.25 by 3 inches, making it easy to place on desks or side tables without occupying too much space. In terms of performance, the G28112EE2 delivers excellent sound quality, thanks to its DECT technology. Users will appreciate the clear audio during calls and the ease of retrieving messages from the digital answering machine. Whether you're conducting business calls or catching up with friends, this phone ensures you stay connected without interruptions. Overall, the G28112EE2 DECT 6.0 Cordless phone stands out for its reliable performance, sleek design, and robust features like the digital answering machine with ample recording time. If you're in the market for a hassle-free communication solution that combines functionality with style, this model deserves a closer look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.